y'all, this is Edward and Jill Harris in Illinois. Now, someone filed fake taxes under their name and almost got their $10,000 tax return. As usual, if you don't get the full story, please go to my YouTube, The Carolina Diamond, like, comment, and subscribe. Now, this is what I don't understand. They received an alert that someone was trying to create a new account under H&R Block because they normally file their taxes with H&R Block, and they got an alert. They did not go in and change it, which I don't recommend creating on that notification, but I would have went to hrblockonline.com and changed my password. But they didn't do that. They called H&R Block directly. H&R Block assured them that everything was fine. Well, it wasn't. And the thing about it was H&R Block said whoever did this knew their information because H&R Block's account wasn't hacked or anything like that. They didn't have anybody get into that. It was someone that knew enough information about them to be able to create a new account and do recovery and everything else. So y'all be careful about who you give your information to. See, this is a tax return. When they made an appointment with H&R Block said, why are you making an appointment when you already have your taxes done? And that's when they logged online and saw through, IRS.gov, and you can go check your return, that there was already a refund coming. Look right there. So thankfully, H&R Block helped them. They did a paper filing instead because they could no longer do an electronic filing that was already done by the scammers. And then they filled out an identity theft form the IRS had so that these people could not get their money. So I'm glad they weren't able to get the money. That would have been a whole mess. So if this does happen to you all, please make sure that you fill out an identity theft form from the IRS and contact them immediately. H&R Block is going to continue to work with the family to get their refund, and they're also offering them family ID theft protection services. And what's sad is they really need their money. They have twins, and one of them is special needs. They also have another child that has a skin condition, and a lot of these costs has to be paid out of pocket. So, of course, it's somebody who don't want to work. Well, they want to work, but work at scamming hardworking people. My recommendation is that if you do continuously use online services like H&R Block, TurboTax, those type of companies, change your password frequently and make sure that no one has your password. Like, nobody should know your password. I hope this helps somebody.